The robot genesis, a bold idea. What if the ones who created us weren't gods, but super smart robots from a long, long time ago? It sounds strange, but it's a cool thought, especially now with all our technology. Imagine robots so smart they could build life itself, making us look like them. That's the main idea of the robot genesis theory. It says these robots, with technology way better than ours, might have started life on Earth. Maybe they put the right stuff here, or even built the first tiny life forms themselves. This creation, on purpose or by accident, could be why we're here. The idea that we're a big experiment by robot scientists from the past is really interesting. It makes us think differently about our place in the world and imagine creators who aren't magical but super techy. Are we their invention, proof of how smart they were? It's a question that makes us curious about the unknown. We may never know for sure if this is true, but just thinking about it helps us understand more and see our place in the universe in a new way. Tiny life bacteria, viruses, and robot experiments. This interesting idea starts with the tiny world of bacteria and viruses. These little things, too small to see, hold the secrets of life. They're like the programmers of biology, controlling how everything grows and changes. Now imagine our robot creators using these tiny things. They could have easily changed bacteria and viruses, using them to try out different life forms. Imagine them in their high-tech labs, messing with genes and basically controlling evolution. Maybe they made early viruses carry special information like tiny messengers of creation. These viruses could have infected simple life, adding new genes and helping us become who we are. So bacteria and viruses might be the leftover tools of our robot ancestors. These tiny systems are so clever and efficient it makes you wonder. How DNA copies itself, how enzymes work, how viruses take over cells. It all looks like super smart robot engineering. The regeneration mystery. Why can't we grow back limbs like robots? One cool argument for the robot genesis idea comes from something we can't do: grow back limbs. Unlike some animals, humans can't regrow lost arms or legs. We can heal cuts and broken bones, but losing a limb is usually permanent. This seems weird if we were created by robots who are good at fixing and replacing parts. Robots are machines, so they're easy to fix. So why aren't we, their creations, built the same way? Maybe our robot creators focused on other things, like our brains, our feelings, or how we adapt to different places. Regrowing limbs, while useful, might not have been important in their big experiment, or maybe we're still a work in progress. If robots made us long ago, maybe they're still working on us. Our inability to regrow limbs could be a temporary problem, something they'll fix in the future. Secret robots, robots in disguise? The idea of robots living among us, looking just like humans, is a popular sci-fi idea. But what if it's true? Could some people we meet every day be super advanced robots hiding their real selves? It sounds crazy, but with how fast robots and AI are improving, it's becoming more believable. We're already building robots that can copy human faces, talk to us, and even learn and adapt. Maybe a super smart civilization from the past made robots that look exactly like us. These robots, if they're real, could be watching us, studying us, and maybe even guiding us without us knowing. They might be part of our society, in important jobs, with only a few people knowing their secret. The idea of robots living among us makes us think about what it means to be conscious, to have free will, and to be human. It makes us question reality and wonder if the difference between humans and machines is smaller than we think.